Hi friends, hi student, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 10th class history, the first lesson, Rise of Nationalism in Europe. Today we will see the topic Napoleonic Code, the Civil Code of 1804. This is very important topic and we will make the understanding of the Reformation work which was made by the Napoleon Bonaparte. So let's see one by one. But in the first I will tell you Napoleon Bonaparte was a great person of the world because he had made many other reformation steps in Europe, especially in France, which make the France a very important country of the European you will say area, and which models or the which reformation steps has been followed by the many of countries of the Europe and other continent of the world. So students, it is very important topic. Let's see. Privileges based on birth abolished and equality before law was established. Means he had made these things which was made very cruel for the people of European countries, especially in France, where the some privileges means special rights has been given to the people who are living in France, such as the clergymen, such as the noblemen. So they were getting the maximum right in the societies, and the common men, they were not getting many benefits. So he had abolished all these rights which make the inequalities among the peoples in the societies. So this steps was very fruitful for the people to realize them that they are the equal people in the societies. Second things, the administrative division were simplified. Means here also made this steps that many of the areas where the district level, the state level, the central level, where the government was divided, so this division was not very perfect. So he had made these steps to make the simplified in the administrative you will say area, because the particulars area where they were not you will say classified, now they were classified, and there were a lot of you will say powers has been given to the people who were heading this you will say administrative units. Peasants faced freed from serfdom and manure dues, because peasants they were facing many of the problems from the people who were controlling them, such as the you will say serfdom and the manure dues, because they had to pay many of the serfdom you will say taxes, such as the land taxes as we have seen in India, and Jamindar system which was very you will say destructive for the society in India. Same times same things has been seen in the France, because these mineral dues where they have to pay a lot of taxes for their you will say production of their agriculture, and improvement in transport and communication system was seen, because improvement in the transport and communication system means he had made very easy transportation system and very easy communication system between the states when the people were moving from one place to another places, and system of the communication was also became very easiest for the people, so that they can maintain their communication skills between them. And adoption of the common national currency, that is very important thing, because in France and Germany it has been seen very common things that when a person who is moving from one state to another place, states means one region to another region, so he have to pay the different type of the value of the currencies, and there were also the different type of the other problem, because somewhere the value of currency was very higher and somewhere the currency of the very lower. So this things which was not very uniform in the country, so he had adopted this system which make the uniformities in the currencies. Next is the establishment of the right of properties. Means right of properties which was became very legal for the people who were controlling the property, because this system which was just equalizing the people who were living in the societies, such as the poor people and the rich people. Feudal system was also abolished. Feudal system means the fiefs which was given by the peasant to the jamindars, and jamindars they were called the feudators. So this system also abolished, as we can say in India, jamindari system also reduced. Removal of guilds restriction in the towns means many of the small workers they have to pay a lot of taxes, which are also removed. Uniform laws and standardizations of the weight and the measurement system. That is very important things, because the weight and the measurement unit were not very uniform. So this steps has been made by the Napoleon Bonaparte to make the weight measurement system which was very uniform, because this is things was making the people very confused while they were trading between the state, between the regions. Now all these development has been seen by the Napoleon Bonaparte, and their reforms was known as the Napoleonic Code or the Civil Code of 1804. That is very important things. If the question can be asked, it's a reform, you have to make the answer in such a way. Result of this reformations such as the French armies were welcomed as a harbingers of the liberty in the Holland, Switzerland, Brussels, Mainz, Milan and the Warsaw. It is the especially cities of the Germany, of the France, where the French armies were moved across these countries and these cities, where they were welcomed as a harbinger. Harbinger of the liberty means they were the carrier of the liberties, means that they carrying the message of the liberties from one part to another part in the Europe. That's why they were welcomed. Initial enthusiasm soon turned into the hostility, as it became clear that a new administrative arrangement did not go hand in hand with the political freedom, because soon this kind of the successful work of the Napoleon was not maintained for a long time, and soon this things was seen into the hostility forms, because the new administrative arrangement did not go in hand to hand, means political freedom was not seen there, and many people they had not very understanding with the political arrangement. So this we'll say weakness was making very inequalities among the people, and those people who are in the power, they were getting the benefit, and those who were not getting in the power, they were we'll say facing a lot of loss. Increased taxation system, censorships, forced conscriptions into the French armies required to conquer the rest of Europe all seemed to outweigh the advantage of the administrative changes, because these things which was also run in the whole of the Europe, especially in France, because all these things are seen as a negative things, such as the taxation, censorship, forced conscriptions into the French armies, which requires to conquer the rest of Europe. But all these things were not maintained for a long time, and soon the French had to see many of the changes, even they have to sacrifice many of the things. So students, these are the Napoleonic Code, in which I have told also explained there, and as well I have told here the result of this Napoleonic Code and their impact in the France. So hope students you enjoyed this video lecture. If any kind of the problem, you can comment it, and surely you just maintain the communication with me. Thank you students, listen me.